everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can locate or find your PayPal email address. In order to locate or find your email address of PayPal, what you need to do is first thing, you need to open up a web browser, or you can do it from your application as well. So there is no different procedure for either of these following options. Once you open up a web browser on the web address bar, type in www.paypal.com, and this is going to take you to the official web page of PayPal. So click on the login button, enter in your credential and log in into your account. In order to log in into the PayPal account, you'll be asked to provide in the verification code that will be sent to your registered phone number. So enter in the code right over here. After you're done entering the verification code, you'll be logged into your account. In order to locate your PayPal email address or the registered email address, what you need to do is you need to head over to your home page first of all, and this is how the interface is going to look like. Once you're on this page, go to your activity, which is right on top. Once you're on this page, click on the gear icon located right on top. As soon as you click on the gear icon and over here, you'll be able to find your account details. So here you can see this is the particular email address that is associated or registered on my PayPal account, and you add the email address and all that primary information. So this is how you can locate or find your email address of PayPal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.